Now we're going to break down short one. Now short one is actually the first adult kata that every person in Kempo Karate learns. The reason why it's important in the junior ranks is to start to understand some of the adult concepts that are going to take you to the next level after you complete junior black belt training. Once you complete junior black belt training, then you proceed on to complete your adult black belt. So the short kata number one is an important foundational kata for all Kempo people, especially as we're moving on to the adult levels. Short one has only 8 moves. So I come to attention stance. Right hand says Kempo kata, left hand short one. Left foot sweeps out. Now, because my fist is already loaded from our scholar and warrior, the first move is to take my left foot, step back to my right neutral, and do a right inward block. Now, as you learn very early, everything that you can do on one side of Kempo Karate, you can do on the other. So from here, I'm going to step away with my right foot. I'm going to turn and do a left inward block that meets it to beat it. Now, I'm already done with both of my inward blocks. So now it's time to face a new direction and learn a new block. So the right thing to do is to take your right foot, step to the corner, turn and now face 9 o'clock and take your inward block out. Now, if I can do a left-handed outward block, I'm going to step away with my left foot. I'm going to realize that distance is my best friend, and I'm going to turn and meet it to beat it so I don't eat it with my right hand. Now, I'm halfway done. The problem is I haven't finished all my directions. So what do? From here, I'm going to go in reverse. So if I went here to here on the first 2 blocks, I'm going to go from here to here on the second 2. So now the right foot steps to the corner, left neutral. Now I'm facing 3 o'clock. So what do? Left upward block. Well, in Kempo Karate, if I can do a left upward block, I'm going to step away. I'm going to realize the distance is my best friend. And I'm going to meet it to beat it so I don't eat it with a right upward block. Now, I face 12, 9, and 3. The only direction left to face is 6. I've done an inward block, an outward block, and an upward block. So the only block left to do is downward. So I take my left foot, I step back to that same corner, and my upward block comes down. Now, if I can do a right downward block, now I'm going to step away, finish with a left downward block. The very last thing left to do is to step with my left foot back to my horse stance, close. Now, if I've done this correctly, I should be back in the exact same spot that I started in. And that's short form number one.